Good morning from Seoul, South Korea. I am very excited to be here. Very excited to be staying at this beautiful apartment, a Hanok style building. Honestly, I chose this place because I thought the kitchen space was beautiful and I just wanted to have that experience of making something here. And yesterday I went to the grocery store. One of these mega grocery superstores. Went a little wild. I bought a lot of stuff. They have everything pre-made and ready. Today's meals are gonna be pretty fantastic. I'm honestly just happy to be staying indoors. Been out every day, 20K steps every day, so it's nice to just relax for a little bit. Oh my gosh. I got this instead of mayo. According to Google Translate, this is supposed to be spicy mayo. You know, like the fire noodle sauce. Getting ready for some heat. I couldn't find a kitchen towel, so I bought one of these pocket tissues instead. I like that I could get these single packaging. 3 slices. Nice. This is the ham I got. Literally says sandwich ham. And I wanted to get those perfect squares, so. I feel like I should try and see what this tastes like first. Ooh. Ooh, it's spicy. Ooh, it really does taste like the fire noodle sauce mixed with mayo. Oh, we're gonna go for it anyways. Just gonna add a little bit. It's so bright. Oh my gosh, okay, that's too much. This is I'm gonna die. Yeah. Not the bread. Oh! Woo! It's a little bit chaotic, but we have it. It's very toasty, but it smells good. Okay, put some greens in there. It's like a whole garden in here. There's so much variety. I love everything, why not? Boom! Salt. Ta-da! Here we are. Boom. Usually I feel like for the street style toast, they put like cabbage and onions, but I really wanted to try this salad mix. So here we have this version, and you have the thick oozing cheese out of there. Grapes. Here it is. Cooking in a new kitchen is always so different. I think I'm just used to what I have, but it's nice. Learn as you go. Nice little cup of Earl Grey. I feel like I should be sitting outside enjoying this cup of tea. My view, actually. I feel like I'm in a different era. These muscat grapes, though. I have been looking forward to them. So good. Such a popular flavor here too. It's sweeter, almost more candy-like than normal grapes. Even more so than cotton candy grapes. Smells like a grilled cheese. Just a little soft now, because I think this bread doesn't really hold up. Considering I really only had that like fire noodle mayo and salt, this is quite flavorful. And the walnuts in the bread, very good. Honestly, just really nice to be able to eat home cooking for a bit. Been eating out every day, so this is really quite nice. I was gonna make tteokbokki from scratch, but then I found this ready-made kit. It says here that it's sun-dried red pepper powder tteokbokki. I wanted to give it a try. Looks like they already packaged all the portions and stuff. Have a bag of greens. There's scallions and cabbage, rice cakes, ramen, sweet potato noodles, one giant fish cake, and our tteokbokki sauce. This is supposed to be our final product. There's instructions at the back. I think this says that it takes 20 minutes, 2 servings, it's easy. This part, oh my god, my limited Korean. I have not been practicing my Korean as much as I should, so I'm going to enlist the help of Google Translate. Wash the ingredients, drain them, cut the fish cake, and then pretty much just put everything in a pot and let it cook. That's why I guess the difficulty level is easy. Love how they have everything ready to go for you. Pretty great for when you're traveling and you don't want to buy a bunch of stuff, but you still want to eat the good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and give some of these a wash. Couldn't find a bigger bowl here, but this kind of works. A little wetter than usual, but still solid. Just trying to get it to rice cake size. Haha, fish cakes, good. This is definitely for more than one person, maybe even more than 2. It's a very full pot. You definitely smell the red pepper. It's very strong. Look at this redness. Hoo-wee. But I'm gonna put all of it anyways. I'm gonna do something a little crazy and add a little bit of this IPA. A little bit more flavor, you know? Pour some of this in. Water. Last cup. Smells kind of boozy, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Also think I might not add the ramen noodles because I wanna do a very special ramen for dinner. I will add these chewy noodles once this starts boiling. Okay. She is boiling. Smells really good in here. Noodles in. Definitely more red peppery than usual. 2 more things I got yesterday for lunch. Kind of like side dishes, banchan if you will. This one is a seaweed banchan. I also got this kimchi, which is actually fresh kimchi, so it hasn't really fermented, and so it's not as sour, which I kind of really enjoy. It's a lot sweeter. Wipe off the edges because I made a mess. And there we are. Now to plate up my tteokbokki. Hoo-wee. To finish it off, I'm going to put a slice of cheese on top. Tteokbokki is one of my favorite things to have, so Oh wow. Even the rice cakes themselves, so much chewier, that kind of cute texture. The flavor is a lot sweeter than I'm used to. Spicier. So crunchy. Can't forget my beer. Very solid meal. And they make it so easy for you to make at home. You don't have to measure a single thing. Good stuff. You can go for a walk after this. Now I'm gonna make some dinner. This is something I've been wanting to make for a very long time. So I've actually made this dish before, chapaguri and noguri. Last time I used A5 Wagyu to mimic some of this fat to meat ratio, but today, since I'm actually in South Korea, I was able to get Hanwoo beef, which you can really only get in the country. You can see how insane that marbling is. This steak also cost me roughly around 61,000 won, which is I think around 50 something US dollars. So it is pretty pricey. Parasite's ramdon for dinner today. Been looking forward to this since the moment I landed. It's kind of already separated into 3 different slices. Look at the marble pattern, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna cut this into bite-sized pieces. That is beautiful. Got my meat. I forgot the truffle oil, but I feel like we should be good just with the beef fat itself. It's still gonna be very umami. Around 3 minutes. Everything's happening so fast. Oh yeah. Is that too much? Get some of that juice in there. Oh yeah. Oh man. Some of the packaged oil. Oh, to finish it off. Give it that nice shine. Finally, many years later, I get to try the real deal. Gotta bring this to the dining table. Ooh, or should I eat outside? Snuck in a piece of Hanwoo beef there. So juicy. Oh my. Look at that. Wow. This is a straight up feast. I feel like I'm about to do a mukbang or something. I also got this. This is like a Sam veggie platter. I don't really see this, I feel like, in New York. So I was very excited. Get my veggies in. There's garlic in here, jalapeno, samjang, since I have some extra Hanwoo beef. I saw this kombucha drink, which is in powder form. Ooh, dissolves very easily. And it's fizzy. Wow. But you do get those bubbles in there. It really is like a carbonated beverage of kombucha. Honestly, even without the beef, it's amazing, but it's not as fatty as I thought it would be. It's tender enough to cut right through, but it still has a bite to it. But I do feel like it has an even meatier flavor, which goes really well with this. And there, a bite like this. This is like perhaps the best meal yet. Wow.